Let us look at how to check backlinks in Google Analytics 4. So first let's go to Google Analytics. Next, click on this link and sign into Analytics. Once you do that, you have to go to reports over here on the left, and next go to acquisition. Under that you can see user acquisition over here, right? I am going to change the data to see last 90 days data over here. Okay, and you can see here referral traffic. So how do we understand that these are backlinks, right? If your website link is placed in someone else's website, right, you must be getting traffic from there, correct? So that will be coming under referral channel inside Google Analytics. So if you need to check from where these referral traffic is coming, right, you want to know what are those sites, correct? So in order to check all those sites, what you need to do is click on all users over here and just click on the back button over here and uncheck this and select this one. So basically this filters out all the referral traffic over here, and click on apply. Once you do that, right, you can see the referral traffic which is coming, right? And what you need to do is click on this plus icon over here, and you have to type user source, correct? You can see first user source here. Click on the first user source over here, right? Once you click, you will be able to see all the websites which are giving you the referral traffic, right? So from Copilot Microsoft, you are getting a traffic over here from this, and there are many other websites. You can check more rows here over here. You can expand it to 100, and you will be able to see all the data over here, right? But you know that Copilot Microsoft or Gemini, ChatGPT, these are all AI chatbots, right? Someone must be typing about your website topics, and your link has been popped out over here, correct? So you can ignore these kind of AI tools and see other websites where you will have the link coming from, correct? So further to dive down, what you need to do is click over here and let us filter by the page path, right? So you can see to where the traffic is coming, the referral traffic is coming. So these are the links you can see on your website where the referral traffic is coming, right, until here, correct? So this is how you can check the backlinks data and verify each and every website from where the link is coming to your website, right, and to which page the traffic is coming in this way. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more content like this.